Can you believe this gadget sells 2 million units a year? This is the pistol conversion kit that's all the rage in Europe and the US. It transforms pistols into assault rifles or shotguns, turning your G18C into an HK416, making you stand out on the street. Regular pistols just need a light press for the stock and grip, plus some attachments to extend sights and improve stability. It notably reduces recoil, boosting accuracy. Shooters love it, and it's a bargain at just $200. So here's the question: how can they sell a $50 kit with such high production?